Hello guys, my name is Akshima Agarwal. Today we are going to discuss an interview question which is asked by the Google in the last year. So this is the question based upon the activity rank of each user. So how do we calculate the rank of each user in MySQL? In MySQL, we have three window-based functions. First is row number, second is rank, and third is dense rank. These three functions are used according to the requirement of the question. So first of all, let make you understand the difference among them. First is row number. Row number provides you the unique value. Now let's understand with the help of an example. See, we have a table employees. We have three attributes: employee ID, employee name, and salary. Now I want to provide the row number to each user based upon their salary. So how do I write? See this query, select asterisk. Now what asterisk means? I'm just taking all the attributes which are present inside the employees table. Next, I have used the row number function. Over is a clause which is used to aggregate the data based upon the condition. Now what is our condition? Order by salary. Now order by default orders the salary in ascending order. Okay, now as row number, as is the alias, we are providing the another name to that particular attribute from employees. Employees is the table name. Now see the output. Salary is according to the ascending order. Now the row number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a sequential value and it is non-repeated. It provides you the unique rank to each user based upon the salary. Next is rank and dense rank. In rank and dense rank, there is a slight difference. Kindly understand that difference. Rank introduces the gaps in ranks whenever we have the same values. For example, let's see, we have two employees, Zenith and Shabnam. Both have the same salaries and the rank is same. But in the next row, rank gives the next person, the rank is 3. So it is not sequential. So it introduces a gap according to the duplicate values. Okay. Now, whereas in the dense rank, it does not introduce any gap. It does not introduce any gap in the case of same values also. Okay, let's see the output of the dense rank. For the same salary, it provides you the same rank. But for the next row, it gives you the next value. Okay, then 3. So there is the difference. There is slight difference between rank and dense rank. But row number only the one function which provides you the unique value. Okay, this is how we are using the rank function in the query and the dense rank. The way is similar to row number, but the output is different. So I hope the difference is clear. Now let's move towards a question. Now the question is, find the email activity rank for each user. Now what is the activity rank? It is defined that total number of emails sent by a particular user. Now the user with the highest number of emails sent will have a rank of 1. Now the user who has sent highest number of mails will be ranked as 1 and so on. Now in the output, what do we need? That is the username, a particular user, the total email sent by that particular user, and its activity rank. Now, activity rank is based upon the total number of emails sent by that particular user. Now, next is order the records by the total mails in descending order. Now, we need to use the order by clause. We need to use the order by clause in descending order. As we all know, the order by clause by default works in ascending order, but we are going to use here as a descending order. So we are going to put DESE by using order by clause. Next, sort users with the same number of emails in alphabetical order. Now, there is a case when we have two or more users whose the total email sent by them is same. What we are going to do in that case, we are going to sort their names in alphabetical order. We're going to sort their names in alphabetical order. For example, if we say we have the user names PQRS and ABCD, and the total number of emails sent by both of them is same. For example, 14. Now, what we are going to do in that case, we are going to sort them in alphabetical order. Now, according to the alphabetical order, which comes first? That is ABCD. ABCD 14, PQRS, then 14. Okay. Now, next is in your rankings, return a unique value. Now, what do we need? A unique value. Now, unique value, how do we calculate the unique value? As we have discussed the three functions, only the row number will provide you the unique value. So for unique value, which function we are going to use? That is row number. Even if multiple users have the same number of emails. Even the users have the same number of emails. For tiebreakers, as we have already discussed, for the tiebreaker means the number of emails for two or more users is same, then we are going to order their names in alphabetical order. So this is the question. Now let's see the structure of the table. Table name is Google, Gmail, mails. Then there are the attributes, that is int, from user, to user, day. So these are the data types: ID, int, from user, varchar, to user, varchar, day, int. Now see the first four rows of the dataset, that is ID, from user, to user, and day. Now how do we solve? First of all, we need to see how many attributes we want. How many attributes we want? We need the username. We need the username. Second is the total emails sent by each user and the activity rank. The activity rank is based upon the total number of mails sent by that user. Now, as we all know, how many attributes are there? ID, from user, to user, and day. Now, what do we need? The username means from user. So we are going to select. Select is used to fetch the data. Why we use a select keyword? To fetch the data. Next, what do we want to fetch? The username, that is from user. Then what do we need to calculate? The total number of emails sent by that particular user. So what do we use the count function of from user. How many times it is repeated inside the dataset. As total emails, as is used for the alias, we are providing a name to the attribute. Next is I'm going to use the row number function over order by. Now we are going to use the order by clause on the total emails because we want to make sure that it should be in the decreasing order. Should be in the decreasing order. Now, how do we make it in decreasing order? By using the order by clause in descending order. Now, if the total number of emails of some of the users are same, then what we are going to do? We are going to sort their names in alphabetical order. Okay. And we know very well order by clause by default work in ascending order. So first of all, we are going to use the order by clause in the case of calculation of total emails in descending order and names in ascending order. So we have used the order by count when we counting the number of mails in descending order and in the names in alphabetical order in ascending order. Now we are providing the name to that particular attribute as activity rank. So we need only the three attributes in the output, that is username, total emails and activity rank. Now from the table name, that is Google, Gmail, emails. Now we are going to use the group by clause. Why we are using the group by clause? Because we need the unique names in the case of user. We want to calculate the data of each user. How many mails are sent by the each user? That is why we have used the group by clause. Now, when you execute this query, it will give you the output like this. That is from user. From user consists of all the unique users. The total emails. When the total emails is same, still our activity rank is different. Okay, we are providing the unique rank to the unique user. Now let's execute this query in the Strata Scratch platform. Now, first of all, what do we need? Username, select from user. Now, we want to count the number of emails sent by that particular user. So I'm going to use the count function. Now, from user as. Now I'm going to provide the name to that particular column, that is total email. Next column is activity rank. So I'm going to use the row number function. Row number over order by count from user as descending order. And if the two or more users have same number of emails, then we're going to sort their names in alphabetical order. Here I'm going to use from user. Then the name of the column, that is activity rank. From table name, that is employees. Table name is Google, Gmail, emails. Google, underscore Gmail. Now I'm going to use the group by clause so that it will group by according to the users. Group by from underscore user. So now let's run the code. See the output. From user, total emails and the activity rank. I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you like this video, so kindly subscribe my channel for the next videos. Thank you.